Hi everybody out there in YouTube land. Gus Schmidt here with another trading video. I've been working on this strategy that I've developed. It's called the price action trend reversal, along with a second strategy called Martingale. Um, and I'm gonna explain to you how this works. So let's go ahead. We're at the U.S. Canadian dollar here, and I'm seeing a bullish trend. It's been bearish for a while, but I see a strong bullish trend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna execute a call option here, and hopefully it'll continue to rise. A call option, I'm betting that the price of the currency is going to go up. As you can see here, it's been going down for quite some time, for a few minutes, maybe about 15 or 20 minutes here. Each candle here represents 30 seconds. And I do 2-minute trades. So I'm looking at a 30-minute time chart on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. And we're going to go ahead and see how this trade goes down. This is on a platform called Close Option, which is a pretty decent platform. It accepts the US traders, and they give you a demo account to start out with. And so I'm going to go ahead and hopefully this is close. I've got about a minute left on the trade. Hopefully we'll see a nice bullish movement going on here, and we can win this trade and go on to another trade. But this is what I'm looking for, these kind of formations here. You see this nice bearish trend here, and it sort of has a level of support here. It doesn't seem to want to go much further than that, and so it's primed for a trend reversal. And this is how I like to trade. I like to trade on trend reversals. I don't like to trade on trends because things can happen. I feel stronger about trading on the reversals. And so we have 7 seconds left. It looks like we're going to win this trade. And once I know we've won, then we can move on to another currency. Kind of like, this is not bad to look at. If it does kind of go down again, I might want to hit another call. I might just sit on this. As a matter of fact, no, I'm going to sit on this and see how this currency behaves under price action. All right, so you see it's hitting that level of support here again. I'm going to sit on this currency and see if we can maybe execute another call option. I'm going to wait till I see another, maybe I'm going to look for a bullish green candle on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and just trade on that. But as you can see here, there's sort of like this level of support here where it's kind of like not wanting to go break that levels of support. So it's primed hopefully for a reversal back up. And that's how I trade reversals. Let's see what happens here, if it continues to go sideways or if it's gonna, all right, another little bearish candle here, a small bearish candle. So it's sitting. So yeah, we're going to sit on this because I think this is a good opportunity here. Just waiting for a nice green bullish candle so I can hit call trade, a 2-minute call trade for $100. And you generally want to trade about 5% of your account balance. So if you have like $1,000, you trade $50. I'm kind of pushing it a little bit, trading $100 lots. But let's see if we can get some kind of reversal going on here. It's kind of going sideways, but I believe it's going to turn around. It's going to turn around. It can't continue to be bearish like this for too much longer. So sometimes you just want to, instead of going back and forth to different currencies, you may want to sit on a particular currency. If you see a strong trend, like, all right, I made the trade here, we won, but then it kind of went up a little bit and found its way back down. All right, so we have a bullish candle. Let's see what it does a little bit. If it becomes more bullish, I'm going to hit a call trade on that. It's kind of like deciding whether it wants to push back up or push down. You see now we have a little bearish candle here. So I'm going to sit on this currency. Hopefully it'll make a move and we can execute a quick trade and move on to another trade. Wow, another bearish candle. So I'm glad I didn't pull the trigger on this trade on this, because you kind of like want to see a more bearish candle, something like this or this. Um, so it's been going down for quite some time, as you can see here, for a few minutes. So it's got to reverse, you know. So I'm gonna sit on this because I like the way this is looking. So I'm gonna sit on this currency, and hopefully we'll see a little pop here, a green pop, and we'll pull the trigger on a call trade. Keep going. Now the US dollar is really going down. But I don't think I'll find a better trade setup than this right now. I want to sit on this, um, hopefully for a few more seconds. Wow, it's still going down. Okay, a little bullish candle here, but I'm still reluctant to pull the trigger. It's a small bullish candle here, but if it could pop a little bit more, I'll pull the trigger. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna pop it there. Let's see what happens. I kind of wanted to see a better pop than that, but I didn't want to miss it either. But I hopefully I don't think it should be going down any further than that. It should be reversing back on an upward trend, but let's see what happens with this 2-minute trade. Wow, it's really struggling. Okay, a little bearish candle here. Okay, I mean bullish, excuse me, a bullish candle here. Let's see if we can get a second or a third bullish candle. If this could be it's a bearish candle. Well, so we're sort of right at the right there. Uh, if we can get a nice bullish pop at the end here, we got 27 seconds left on this trade. After this, I'm going to leave this currency alone. I think I'm going to leave this currency alone. It's not really doing much now. It was kind of, headed in a strong bearish direction, but it's sort of sitting there, not doing much. So hopefully we can win this trade. And yes, we won this trade. So I'm going to go ahead and look for another currency pair, see if something else is developing. We won that trade. But it hasn't been doing much. Sort of like, see, sort of like this. I'm going to leave this pair alone. Let's check out Aussie dollar, US dollar. Let's see if we can find something here. Not much going on there. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, going sideways here. We want to avoid these kind of trends here because it's going sideways. I'm looking for bullish, strong bullish or strong bearish trends. Oh, well, what do we have here? Yeah, this is kind of tricky here. Yeah, let's see if we can find something better. Euro, Aussie dollar. Wow. What's going on with these currencies today? They don't want to make up their mind. All right, let's try this. All right. Let's do a 2-minute trade for $100. It's a call. I think, looks like we have a level of resistance here going on. So I'm going to hit a call and hopefully it'll push itself back up where it's, it's been a little bearish for a few minutes, but it kind of looks like it's hit a support level here. And it's trying to push back up this currency, the Euro Aussie dollar. And hopefully we can see okay, good. That's a good nice now it's back. That's the thing about these turbo trades. They can move very quickly on you here, the currency. You got 1 minute left. Oh, and it's been reversing on me. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my Martingale strategy because in case this trade lose, I'm going to put a bet of 2.5 times the original trade, which is $100. In case this trade loses, I'm going to put a trade for $250 to cover the $100 loss and make some profit on top of that to recover the loss. So it looks like this trade will probably lose unless there's a gigantic swing to the upward side. We got 17 seconds left. Doesn't look like that's going to happen. Still going down. So we did lose that last trade. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and hit a call trade on there. Probably, I'm not sure. It looks like it's went down and it's all right. It looks like it's you reversed right in time for me with this trade. Okay, so this trade will probably be a winner. I'm running out of time here on this video, but as you can see, this is what I call the price action trend reversal strategy. If you like my video, like and subscribe. This is going to be a winner. So it's going to recover that previous $100 loss and, help me grow my